Good morning, friend. I hope you had a great night or a great morning. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today is on Thursday, and right here, good morning, actually, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are watching this from. So today is on Thursday, and today is the final day of my preparations for the project that I'm about to begin here in the village. And with me I have a saw, I also have a hammer, and I have a few nails, a few wood. So I'm beginning this particular video to welcome you to my final my final touches, actually. So with me here, I'm about to begin cutting a certain timber here. If I may show you, it's not a very easy exercise. So I'm about to cut this wood so that I can finish this particular project, and I'm going to show you step by step what I'm going to do. So right now I'm cutting this timber so that it can be on level with this one. This one is a bit taller, so I want to cut, there's a part here so that they can be of equal measurements, and then I finish my task for the day. And I'm going to show you actually where I've been sleeping for the past 2 days. So I'll take you to that house. It's actually on this there is a corner there. I'm going to show you. I'll show you that after I am done with this particular task. So as a man, you should at least learn a skill. So I know this skill. This is actually carpentry. Yeah, for somebody who's wondering what is in my way, this is carpentry. So I think these two are of the same size now. You can see from down here up here they're the same. So from here I'm going to make a few cuttings, and I'll be showing you step by step before I finish, and after I finish I'll be showing you the final product. These other benches, they were made by the people who were helping me yesterday, but I think they are not exactly what I wanted. So whenever according to me, if I need something to be done to not perfection, but something good, something durable, something that can last, it's good if I do it by myself. So I'm not depending on those guys. But the good thing is I paid them their money, even though they never finished, they were sorted. So the rest I'm going to sort it by myself, step by step. I'll be showing you. Okay, keep up. Wow, finally we are done for today. The work is complete. The other side that I showed you yesterday, it's done. On this other side, it's done fully. And what's remaining is to clean the room. It's very dirty, so we need to clear everything and make it clean. And then we call it a day. So these are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the taller one. There are 6 benches in this row. The same on this other side. There are 6. So though this one here is supposed to be like, it's supposed to be down here, so we decided to place it here so that it can create space for us to work. Yeah, that is it from this other side. And the reason as to why I was doing this, actually today I promised you I was to show you where I stay. This is the place where I stay. There is another chair here. This is a cupboard. There is another table over here, and there is another seat here. So this is where I normally sit when I'm doing the editing for my videos. This is my bed. This is where I sleep, and that wall was actually poorly done and it's not yet painted. So with time we are going to work on that. So from here, I promised I was going to show you the kitchen for this area. We have 2 kitchens. One is in the main house, and there is another one here which is a traditional kitchen. I don't know whether you've come across such kitchens whereby they have 3 stones that are put side by side, not side by side, but somehow facing each other. Okay, instead of me trying to explain, it will be better if I go with you and show you where that happens. Somewhat dark in here, but out here I can see the sun, the sunset on the other side. There is a sunset over there. I believe you can see it. So this is the traditional kitchen. It's made of mud. This mud, and these are iron sheets from very long time ago. These iron sheets are even older than me. I'm not exaggerating, it's true. And this, whatever you see down here, they are things that I dismantled from the shop that I was given. And that particular shop, actually, these loads of things were in it, and these jerry cans are packed with water. They were inside that room and they were kept. This the view, the whole area, like that's the shop that I was given. And this door behind me, it's where I live. It's actually a 2-room. It has 2 rooms. It has no washroom in it. So here in Shags, when you want to visit the washroom, you go for a distance, because we don't have what we call sewerage system here. So before that, we were going in here. Okay, my flashlight is not working properly, but I believe you can see. These are three stones. I'm actually dirty. I got injured while I was working. You can see my hands, they are very dirty. But I said I wanted to make this video so that before I go to take a bath, I at least leave you with something to watch. Okay, these are three stones. I'm standing at a far distance because if I go in, there won't be enough lights for you to see. These are three stones. These are traditional kitchen. 1, 2, 3. So people here are my family. At times they prefer this than using a gas cooker. It's very fast and they use firewood. The ones that I showed you yesterday, they are covered with these things. So here is where food is made. When in the kitchen, the kitchens are actually two. We have one in the main house and this particular one. There are also some other stuffs in this kitchen. And to give you another tour of this place, yep, this is the place. There is some other firewood right here. Down we go. So there is a washroom here, but it was never completed. I have no reason as to why, but that is my father's house. I need permission. If I want to film anything from this house, I'll need permission from my father so that I can do it. So after that, I'm going to show you how the washrooms look, how they are designed here back in the village. They are down here. It's a distance, if you can see. I came all the way from that side, behind that building, and I'm coming down. Now this napier grass, we have a few cows. My father owns a few cows. And these are the washrooms. That's the funny part is that gate over there. It's a very tiny gate. It's the gate that is in front of this building. So this the front of the building, and the other side is the behind. So this gate is it's supposed to be the main gate because it's on the front, but there is a gate at the back, actually, sorry, the back of this building. It's the bigger gate, so it's the main gate, but it's in from the back of the building. And these are our washrooms. So these washrooms, they're not built like the ones in the city. It's like they have like a small opening. When you go in, you need to position yourself very well. You place your one leg on this side and that other side so that you do your thing. So after this gate, I believe it's unlocked here. And in Kisii, people have lots of this. You can see all of this place has bananas. It has sweet bananas. And this other side, there is some sukuma wiki. These are sukuma wikis. And we also have this. I've forgotten how it's called, but in Kisii it's known as omogaka. Yep. So we move. Actually, planted what we call a sweet bananas. I planted them somewhere. Oh, yeah, it was me who planted them, but they're unhealthy. Yeah, they are. These are sweet bananas. Very unhealthy. Very unhealthy. So down we go. It's actually getting dark. It's 6, almost 7. This is my father's land. And down here, there's nothing actually planted here. There is nothing. We also have avocados. It's very tall. There's one. There's another one over here. So I don't believe anything is planted here. I don't believe. And here we have things that look like green grams. Yeah, they are. They're actually tied to a small dead plant. They look nice. I love to test this when they are harvested. So coming down, there is saga. This is saga. We call them saga. In Kisii we call them chinsaga. Yep. So after that, we are going down. And finally, we get to the field. This is where my father's cows come to graze. When the grass is big, it's given some time to grow. Then after it has grown, the cows come here to graze. So it's somehow not that small, but it's somehow small, not too small. Yeah, this is the field, and this is where this land ends. This is not my land, it's my father's land. I haven't bought mine yet, and when I'll buy mine, I'll definitely take you on a tour. So that is the field. There are also some trees here. This Kisii is evergreen. Rain is in plenty. This is my neighbor's house. I have another neighbor over there, another one over there, another one down there. There's another one somewhere there, another one somewhere there, another one here, and so many other neighbors. So that is it for today, friend. I'm glad you are watching this, or you will watch this, and I appreciate my first video actually has like 96 views. I'm very grateful for that. It makes me like want to do more, so that I at least can show you what's happening in my life after coming all the way from the city. I'm now here in the village, and I want to share with you the experience over here. Remember, I told you I'm not planning anytime soon, like I'm not planning to leave this place. I'll be here for as long as it takes, and we will be sharing a lot. So today I have showed you what is inside this compound. Maybe as from today is on Friday. I said during the weekend I won't be sharing any video. Maybe as from Monday I'll be showing you around this place. This place has so much to offer, and I promise that I'll work very hard to show you what is happening, or what will be happening around here. It will be amazing. The journey will be so much fun. Yeah, everybody loves fun, so be ready for that fun. I want to tell you I'm glad that you're taking your time to watch my videos. It means a lot to me. And remember that we said by the end of this week we are supposed to get to 100 subscribers. This weekend's on Sunday, so we have like today is on Friday, tomorrow is on Saturday, so we have one day to get to 100. Kindly, when you come across this particular video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and also comment. I like comments, be it positive, be it negative. I'll actually take them. So for now, it's a goodbye. Make sure you stay safe, take care of your loved ones, and also remember to pray. Prayer is very important, so you need to pray. You need to at least do don't forget to work. You need to work, so that if you don't work, you're not supposed to eat. So you need to work so that you can eat. For now, I'm going back to the house. I'm going to take a shower. Where there was I showed you our latrines here, our washrooms. So there were 3. One is bathroom, and the other 2 are toilet. So for now, it's a goodbye. See you in tomorrow's video.